What's up, YouTube? Part 1 on showing you how you can turn any vehicle you have without having to buy something and costing yourself more money. How you can modify what you have. We're here with the 99 Bravada, and I'm going to show you how to customize a grill. Bravadas don't have much options for buying things, so I'm just going to take what I got, turn into something someone else doesn't. Okay, on the Bravada here, to get this out, there's these little pins in there. You just pull. Flathead screwdriver works just fine. And you yank it out like so. Okay. There's some down there. Gonna have to get a longer prying tool. Probably would have been smarter to do this with the headlights out. But I'm going to put the phone down, stop recording, and I'll see you back when we're ready to cut. We're going to cut this out, this out, this out, and we're just going to customize it and have a one-off grill on this thing. And we're back. It took 5 minutes. There's these little clips here, these things. 4 of them. Well, 4 along the top, 2 on the bottom. That one's still stuck in there. I just used a flathead screwdriver, popped them out. This one's cracked, but plastic welder gets you in. So the purpose of this video, like I said in the first one, is to show you that you don't need to buy something that's pretty cool and waste more money, that you can take what you already got and make cool. And that's what I'm going to do in this video. This grill will not look like this. You can't get anything too aftermarket. I mean, you could put a Jimmy grill will fit in there. And yeah, this truck, when it's done, hopefully will be cool. We're going to cut this apart, cut these out. This is going to be gone. We're going to get the fiberglass and do a lot of prep work. Sanding life begins. There it is. Got the grill masked off, ready to cut. I'm not going to do no explain. I'll just be back when it's cut before we do the fiberglass and show you where I got. See you later. This is what we're using to cut it with. Cut here, keeping this. These are going to be gone. This is going to be gone. Gone. Starting to cut here, going across to here. We want a big open. And this is what we're using. Okay, so the grill's cut out. Okay, so we got the grill done somewhat. We're ready for some fiberglass work now. We riveted these on, these metal pieces on, to help hold. And we fiberglass over this way. And then we're gonna have a grill in the back here. I think it's turned out pretty good. We gotta do some trimming here on a few things. As you can see, it's still sticking out there. And here, we gotta flatten those out. We're gonna be filling this as well. So those lines here and here won't be there. It'll be all perfectly flat. but I think it's gonna look pretty good once it's all said and done. Yeah, all right. We got the grill ready. Leveled out these. Yep. All right, fiberglassing begins. Now, when I went to O'Reilly's, shit, I forgot to grab paintbrushes, so hopefully, I got some in there. Don't mind the mess. It's been a long one. What's up, YouTube and gearheads out there? This is your crazy gearhead, A.M.L Designs. So, update here. I guess this ain't even an update because I haven't even posted the first video yet, so I guess I'll just work it into the editing with the first video. Intro into this grill. I'll show you what's done so far. I know it don't look like nothing right now, but there's 2 layers of fiberglass on here. When I say 2 layers, I'm talking about 2 layers of matting, the fiberglass mat. And what we did here, you can see this is not done yet. Here's why. When I was fiberglassing it, I wanted this to stay where it's at up here and not to be pulled down. So I let this dry. Now we're going to come in and we're going to put this down, fiberglass in there, and let this dry. There's 2 layers. I want to do 3 of this type of fiberglass. Next, I want to do at least a layer, maybe even 2, probably only 1 though. A good thick layer of glass, Bondo glass. And then we're gonna hit it up with some body filler, a layer of that or 2. This is gonna give it a shape. This is gonna give more shape. This is gonna give it our straightness. This is the perfection in the sanding. I'm not saying we're not gonna do. It's all gonna be. It's gotta be perfect. I mean, you ain't gonna do all this work and to make it look like crap. So let's just hope it turns out. Hopefully it turns out. It's gonna turn out. You know why? Because I'm gonna make it turn out. Don't doubt yourself ever in working on the cars. That's the grill as she looks now. Can this bravada not look like a bravada anymore? Stay tuned, you'll find out.